Welcome to Event Gateway. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to sell or reserve tickets using the app. When you launch the app, the home screen displays two main sections. Public events and invited events, which are private and shared within specific communities. All invited events you have access to will appear here, whether or not you're assigned as an agent. If you're assigned tickets or you're an event admin, your event will also be listed under the My Event Center icon. To begin selling or reserving tickets, tap the My Events icon. This section shows events you've created, as well as those where you're participating as an agent. You can mark your favorite events by tapping the heart icon. Use the filter at the top to view only your favorites. This is helpful when you have many events listed. Each event offers three main options: sell or reserve, assign, and manage. In this tutorial, we'll focus on selling and reserving tickets. Tap on any event to view more details. For invited events, you can share the link with others. They must have the app installed or access the link to purchase tickets online. To get started, tap Sell or Reserve. Next, select the number and type of tickets you want to sell or reserve. Then, tap either Sell or Reserve to proceed. Your contact list will now appear. If you're using the app for the first time, tap Refresh to load your contacts. Depending on the size of your list, this might take a moment. Please note, your contact list is stored only on your device and never uploaded to the server. Your privacy is always respected. If the person you're selling or reserving for isn't in your contact list, tap Add New. When adding a new contact, you can either save them to your list or add them for a one-time transaction. For this example, we'll skip saving the contact and proceed directly with the transaction. Now, tap Add. The newly added contact is now selected and ready to proceed. To choose a contact from your existing list, simply use the search bar. Select their name. And tap Sell to continue. Next, choose the payment method. If you're collecting payment in person, select Cash. If your contact prefers to pay online, select Card. When you choose Card, the tickets will be reserved, and a secure payment link will be sent to your contact, just like in the reservation process. If you choose Cash, the ticket will be marked as sold, and you'll be responsible for settling the payment with the event owner. In this example, we'll choose Cash. This confirms the sale and provides you with the order number. Your contact will receive a text message with their order details. You can also share ticket information using the share icon through WhatsApp or other messaging apps. The reservation process works the same way. The Reserve button will be enabled or disabled based on settings chosen by the event owner. When you reserve a ticket, a payment link is sent to the buyer so they can complete the payment online, or they can pay you later in cash. There will be a separate tutorial to show you how to collect payments for reserved tickets and a deeper look into the Manage section for tracking and other tools. We hope this tutorial helped you get started with selling and reserving tickets. We'd love to hear your feedback. Please leave us a review on the App Store or Google Play. Thank you for using Event Gateway, for events that matter. We'll see you in the next video. Stay connected, and keep making your events memorable.